Hey collectors, here is a look at Hordak from the Cartoon Collection line by Mattel. And I would like to thank Rare Find Toys for this. Link in the description below. Check them out. At the back of the card, there is an illustration of Hordak with the accessory that he comes in, the time stop device, plus the other characters in this wave. Out of the clamshell, Hordak comes with a mini comic titled Slime Lord, and this is how the figure looks like in the clamshell. And again, he comes with the time stop device. And before you can take him out, you have to cut those plastic straps that ties him to this plastic tray. To avoid damaging the figure, I suggest cutting the plastic straps at the biceps and at the ankles at the back of the packaging. And here is Hordak out of the plastic tray. He stands around 6 inches tall and has basic articulation like all other figures in the Cartoon Collection line. Here is the backside of the figure, and like what you see in the Filmation cartoon, it is very simple and does not have a lot of details. Once you find the center of balance for this figure, you can put him in some simple action poses. But again, I don't suggest doing this on your display without any support because a little nudge and this figure would fall down even though Hordak has the duck feet. It took Mattel decades before they perfected the head sculpt for Hordak, and this Cartoon Collection version is by far the best version for me. Also, the head is not attached to the back armor. Too bad Hordak doesn't come with his alternate arm cannon and the cape. And for size comparison, here he is with Megatron from the YOLO Park mini-series and Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story by Bandai Model Kit. With Bruce Wayne from The Dark Knight Rises film by Model Kit and Steve Rogers from Marvel Legends Endgame by Hasbro. With Vash the Stampede from the Trigun anime series by Jazzwares. And Lockdown from McFarlane Toys built a figure from Batman the Animated Series. With Skeletor and He-Man from the Masters of the Universe Filmation version by Super 7. And finally, with He-Man and Skeletor from the Masters of the Universe Cartoon Collection line by Mattel. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.